Hi. I'm at the
Yes.
center. I'm
Okay.
at the center.
Great.
This is where we do everything and yeah. So that's where
Is
I
it your
am.
startup business?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so
I
that's why I'm kind of like kind of restricted, and I have someone that I work with here, and he does videos. So for some of the clients we work with, I would love to kind of shift them to you to encourage them to do stuff to their website to add. So there's ways we could continue this work
okay,
with,
no
this work.
problem. We're working
Yeah.
like together. It's
Yeah,
great.
no, definitely. Yeah, definitely. All right, so let me try and get back to
Mm-hmm.
the screen share here. All right. Oh, the dimension.
You just research the images
Okay.
that I will try to put it in your site.
Yeah. And if you can save that image that's there right now as the picture of me, maybe we could use it somewhere else. I don't know. But I think the banner would look really good like this because those are the colors that I have here too, the blue.
Low, right?
Throughout the site. You know how the site has like the brown color, I mean the beige type of color, even if we change that a bit. To yeah, because my if you look at the center, everything is blue and orange. Let me
Low, right.
yeah. I'm
So
gonna
this is
stop
your brand
sharing and
color, blue and orange, right?
yeah, that's my brand color, yes.
Okay. So we will keep this color. No change, no need.
Like let me show you. Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
See how that matches?
Yep.
So then I use this for the meditation, and this is on my bench. And then little fun fact, my girlfriend brought me these from Egypt.
Oh,
And then I
Egypt.
have, yeah, and then I have the prayer rug that we use here for the meditation.
Oh.
Then you hold on, I want to show you something with the website real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Um, share screen. Okay, with the website, if you can keep this, maybe we can use it somewhere, maybe like move it down here.
Mm-hmm. Which
So
one?
we do the
This
butterfly,
section?
the pic, yeah, this picture, yeah. If you could make it smaller, if that's not too much problem. So maybe we could move it here
Okay.
and then, yeah, but put my picture on this side instead. So that you have the butterfly here, picture of me here, and
Mm-hmm.
then the video. And then this here, I don't know if you think this color should stay as is or should we make it a blue?
Mm,
If not, just leave it if it's going to be too much trouble. The other question I had, I didn't check this. I could add other people easily here, right? Because there are two other people I'm going to be adding.
it's easy, super easy. If you don't know how to edit, I will explain you when work done, or if, when you need, just say hi. I will explain you how to you edit. No problem.
Yeah, because I've done
Just
it
one
before in
minute
the other
work.
one.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And then that's about it. That's all that I need. And no, just for the site, not to, not to redirect people to a scam.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, but if you feel if it's going to be too much, I think this is fine. But only if you could take this picture and then just put it here, that banner, and then use the butterfly here.
Okay. So here is an about section in this website.
It has a what?
Any about section in your website? Yep, I see you have an about section. So if you want, I am put your photo in about page, not in the home page. Your visitor. So when you have lots of picture, it's take lots of time to opening or showing. So
Oh,
try to distribute the picture other page like about page or any other page. Not put all the picture in the home page.
I'm
So
going to have
because
more videos.
yes,
Yeah.
in future you have 10, 15 or 100 videos. So no way to add 100 video in here. So when scrolling option available, people will scroll if want.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
that's good. So make it smaller. I always felt it was too big. Make it smaller and then make it scroll. And then
Scrolling.
I will get you the videos.
Okay.
Okay?
So that's it
All right.
for now.
That's it. All right. Thank you very much. And then I'll
Thank
keep my phone beside me. And if you need anything, just let me know.
you. Okay, thank you.
No, thank
Bye
you.
for
I'm so excited we're working together. All right. Bye.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
It's super fast than previous.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I love the transformative journey, what you did with that. That is so perfect.
Okay, so
Oh
if you
my
want
gosh.
to check your website score, please type Google GT metrics.
Oh, I don't know what that, how that is. And is there anything that could be done? Has it moved? You haven't switched it to mobile yet?
Mhm.
Because right
Um,
now it's still showing the old website on mobile.
yeah, mobile version is still same. I'm talking the name chip support later and fix it. No worry about it. Same server
Okay.
issues, not our
Oh,
issues
okay.
or our fault. Huh?
Yeah, but other than that, I mean, once you fix, I think we're good to fix the bar at the event page and then check about the computer, the phone, of the website being updated on for mobile.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Oh my God, you did a super fabulous job. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure. So now you want to learn how to you upload your video on a website, right?
Yeah.
Just for reel or normal videos?
Well, I don't know. I thought they were the same thing. I think you just add a
Mhm.
YouTube link, right?
Right, okay. Let me check your channel. Wait. Are you see my screen?
Hmm?
Okay. So this is your channel, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
So
don't
first
have
of
that
all,
much on there. So I'm gonna create a different channel just for Create Vibes. I
mhm.
mean, not just for Meta, but right now this is my personal channel. I don't have 6 subscribers. I'm very popular.
Okay. So first of all, you log in your website. Okay.
Yeah.
Then click Edit Elementor, right button on your mouse and click
Uh-huh.
Duplicate.
Okay.
Then when you click Duplicate, is duplicate the section.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then just click this pen icon.
Uh-huh.
And here you see the link. How you get the link? You just go to your videos, click
Uh-huh.
share,
Yeah.
and click embed. Here
Embed,
is
where do
the
I get the embed? Let me see, where was the embed?
okay. I'll showing again. Click
Share.
share, click embed. Here is the
Oh,
embed.
okay. I didn't see your mouse there. Okay, embed.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
embed. Then you get the link here. You see?
Uh-huh. Yes, and then copy it.
Then copy it and paste here.
Okay.
Okay. Here is your videos. Yep.
And that's it.
Okay.
After that,
Okay.
we are all done. You did a stunning job. I'm so happy.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
No, thank you. Great job. Thank you so much. So I'll wait to hear, and then I want you to have a good night's sleep.
Yeah.